how to become an Auto Europe affiliate and start earning commissions promoting car rentals online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote car rentals online is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the Auto Europe affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. Auto Europe is a well-known travel company that helps travelers compare and book rental cars from many major rental brands around the world. The platform also offers chauffeur services, airport transfers, and short-term car leasing. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Auto Europe affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone books a rental car through your affiliate link on Auto Europe, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting car rentals and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliates.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment so you can start today.